Hello there. Wednesday and Sunday new trick. Okay, here I go. But let me guess. Something for the storybook treasury? Hmm. Hello there. Wednesday and Sunday new tricky. Okay, here I go. This is all gone. Brush your teeth. You see, dude, the most scary stuck again. I promise you. Hey there, it's me, Face, and this is my crow machine. And today I'm gonna be calling someone to do. I don't need to late to my clothes myself. I'm making the glory of Batman. Yup, that's the Batman. Whenever you takes it. So anyways, I think it's depends on crow machine and what's gonna be happening not right now. Oh, it's totally prepared. Another this is the Lion King one. Okay, are you ready? Okay. And in the count of three, you will press the button. So remember, I think it's the stars away. Okay. One, two, and three. Oh, it's pretty prepared. Oh my goodness. But as you can see at the crow machine and the pen is ever do. Oh dear. What the heck? A cheeseburger? Oh, what is doing in here? Uh, I think it doesn't not question smack the ruby. I think coming up. Woo! Hey! I think I did the fishing now. What, really? Why is Angry Birds movie? Uh-oh. I think I messed up again. Actually, I'm turning to see my actually. It's my the Angry Birds movie. Ah, 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 wah, 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 wah. No, Yuji.
Indoor voice.
What are you doing now?
Stop.
That's it. No.
Finish.
Soy Pepper Pig. Um, crap. Let's keep watching for Nick Jr. And I said, please.